Okay. So today we're going to look at a developmental network using Lord of the Rings as an example. So in this example, Frodo is a developmental gene that needs to be transcribed in order to defeat Sauron and destroy the ring. Now, obviously, Frodo didn't do this by himself. He had some helpful proteins and some also unhelpful proteins. We're going to look at three of those today: Aragorn, Sam, and the ring wraiths. So we know that without Aragorn, Frodo would have ended his journey quite early and been captured by the Nazgul or the ring wraiths. So that means in an alternate story, or the mutant lacking Aragorn from transcription of Frodo does not occur. Without Aragorn, Frodo would have fallen to the wraiths or become one himself. We also know that without our true hero, Samwise Gamgee, Frodo would have been lost. The ring returned to Sauron, and Middle-earth would have been subdued by the enemy. So therefore, in mutants lacking Sam, transcription of Frodo does not occur. Sam is essential to the transcription of Frodo. One of Frodo's earliest foes, the Nazgul, the ring wraiths, they do their best to inhibit Frodo's transcription. Without the Nazgul, Frodo would occur and have a significantly easier path to Mount Doom. There would have been no hindrance on the road, no flight to the ford, no death-defying general of the Dark Lord to contend with. Without the Nazgul, one might simply walk into Mordor. Now in a double mutant, let's say neither Aragorn nor the ring wraiths occur. Frodo would still be transcribed, as Aragorn inhibits the Nazgul, which inhibit Frodo. Without the ring wraiths, Aragorn is not needed for Frodo to make it to Mount Doom, but he would be missed. Looking at another double mutant, lacking the ring wraiths and Sam, Frodo would not be transcribed. That's because Sam is essential to the very end, and even if an inhibitor like the ring wraiths were gone, if Sam were also gone, the ring does not get destroyed. So if we put all this information together, we can see a developmental network come together. We see that Aragorn activates Frodo, but is not essential. He inhibits the Nazgul, which would inhibit Sam. But Sam is essential. He activates Frodo, and without the Sam protein, the transcription of the developmental gene Frodo does not occur.